great lion was sleeping in the forest. A tiny mouse, not seeing where she was going, ran across the lion's nose. The lion woke up with a loud roar and placed his huge paw over the mouse. "Forgive me," cried the mouse. "If you let me go, I will repay you one day." The lion laughed at the thought that a tiny mouse could ever help him, but he was amused and let her go. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared in anger, but he couldn't get free. The little mouse heard him, ran to the spot, and began to chew through the ropes. Soon, the lion was free.